Hi everyone, so today I'll be showing you how you can top up your wallet via Terminal Africa, and this is just so you can make your shipments using a platform. It's very easy, very quick, so let's just get into it. First thing, you want to log into your terminal account obviously, and then go to the wallet option on the menu, and then what you would want to do is top up your account. So this option right here, you select that, and then you type the amount you want to top up, and also select the currency. And then choose a method. Right now we just have the bank transfer method, so I'm going to pick that, and then click next. And now you have to transfer this amount to this bank account for it to be reflected in your wallet. So once you do that, you click confirm, but please note that you have to make the exact figure here. So it has to be 1,000. You cannot make it more or less, because that would just generate an error. So once you're done, you click confirm, and yeah, it's confirmed now. And as you can see, the money available has also increased, and what this means is now you can use this money to make your shipments. And yeah, that's it.